Hello friends, welcome to Tech Nuggets. In the previous lecture, we discussed about operators in Python. Today we will see conditional statements in Python. So let's get started. Conditional statement execute different blocks of code based on certain conditions. It controls the flow of the program. It tells the program to perform this action, then this, and then this. In Python, we have if, ELIF, and else statements. Let's see some examples of these conditional statements. This is the code snippet for if statement. If statement evaluates a condition. If the condition is true, the block of code within the if statement is executed. Here we took the value of x as 10 and we are checking the condition if x is greater than 5. Since the value of x is greater than 5, the condition inside the if is executed and it will print the output x is greater than 5. Next example is for ELIF. This statement allows you to check multiple conditions. If the first if condition is false, the ELIF condition is evaluated. For example, we took the value of x as 10 and here we are checking whether x is greater than 15. Since this statement is false, then ELIF condition will be checked. For ELIF, we are checking x is greater than 5. This condition is true and hence it will print x is greater than 5 but less than or equal to 15. Next example is for else. Else statement catches anything that is not caught by the preceding if and ELIF conditions. If all previous conditions are false, the block of code within the else statement is executed. For example, x equals to 5. Here we are checking first condition if x is greater than 15, which is false. That's why print is not executed. Then we are checking if x is greater than 5, which is also false since x equals to 5. That's why at last else is executed and it will print the result as x is 5 or less. Next is nested if statement. You can nest if statement within other if statement to create more complex conditions. For example, we took x equals to 10 and y equals to 20. First we are checking the outer if x is greater than 5. This condition is true, that's why it will go inside the if, and again it is checking the inner if y is greater than 15, which is also true. That's why it will print x is greater than 5 and y is greater than 15. Here we have completed conditional statement. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to Tech Nuggets for more insightful content. See you in the next video.